Wolfcraft Universal Depth Stop Set. The Depth Stop Set from Wolfcraft enables you to obtain precise drill holes in the preset drilling depth. The set contains 3 depth stops in 6, 8 and 10 mm, which are compatible with all commercially available wood twist drill bits in the matching diameters. The Allen key supplied enables you to obtain the desired drilling depth with millimeter precision. They can be mounted on the drill bit quickly, simply, and permanently, while their special geometry will prevent skewing. After you have set the drilling depth once, you will be able to create a series of depth-restricted holes with industrial-grade metal drilling hole cutter, more than 10 times longer life than bi-metal hole saw on Harding metal drilling. Extremely long lifetime, and no teeth breakage for any tough job with high-end tungsten carbide technology. Provide fast and precise cuts into stainless steel, sheet metal, cast iron, mild steel, aluminum and FRP smaller than 5 mm, smooth cut with perfect cutting quality for every hole. This hole saw set includes 3 pieces hole cutters with dimensions of 7/8 inch, 1 1/8 inch, 1 to 3/8 inch, 2 piece. Drill Dust Collector has upgraded a unique design and better dustproof function, which is especially suitable for ashing when drilling side walls and batteries. This dustproof cover can effectively prevent dust diffusion and inhalation into the lungs. Protect your health from dust. It must be a worthwhile choice. Easy to install and clean, just 1 minute to complete the installation. Simple tools can help you have better health when you are working with a hammer drill. 3.46 4.56 inch. Rubber material, non-toxic and odorless. Scalable design does not interfere with your work. Suitable for electric.
The Freeman Pneumatic 3-in-1, 15.5 gauge and 16 gauge 2-inch flooring nailer and stapler with case is perfect for construction contractors and DIYers to install 1/2 to 3/4 solid tongue and groove hardwood flooring. This air-powered tool is compatible with 15.5 gauge 1/2 crown staples, 16 gauge T cleats, and 16 gauge L cleats from 1.5 to 2 for all 3 types of fasteners. The lightweight body of this combination flooring nailer and stapler is constructed of die-cast aluminum, with a 1-piece drive blade of hardened steel for durability. 2 interchangeable no-mar base plates provide stability for this versatile tool and prevent damage to finished flooring surfaces, ensuring professional results.
Another day on the job site, and another day of punching holes in panel boxes. If you're like any other electrician wiring panels, you're probably spending a bunch of time threading punches on and off of draw studs each time you make a hole. You're probably wishing it wasn't so tedious and time-consuming wrestling with punches and draw studs that are rusty and cross-threaded. What you need is a better and faster way to make holes. What you need is Speed Punch from Greenlee, our newest knockout punch system that'll get you punching holes faster than standard threaded knockouts ever could, up to 3 times faster. The secret's in the no-thread design. The punch just slides onto the draw stud and the speed lock secures it all in place, making it the fastest knockout punch system on the market. Take a look at how fast Speed Punch sets up an 1.25 inch conduit size hole on a 14 gauge panel box in our product training room. Once you've drilled your pilot hole and inserted the draw stud and die, simply slide the punch onto the draw stud, secure the speed lock in place, then punch the hole. Teardown is even easier. Simply remove the speed lock and slide the punch from the draw stud. To prove just how quick the new Speed Punch system is, we punched an 1.25" hole in 14-gauge mild steel using our LS50 battery-powered driver in a side-by-side speed test against one of our own standard threaded knockouts. Compared to the standard knockout, Speed Punch setup and disassembly is up to 3 times faster, saving you time and money on every hole. As you can see, the combination of the new Speed Punch and the LS50 battery-powered driver provides the ultimate in knockout speed and performance. If you're wondering how strong this new system is, the Speed Lock and Precision Machine Draw Stud can withstand over 40,000 pounds of punching force. That's over 3 times the force it takes to punch 2-inch conduit-size holes in 10-gauge mild steel. So if you're thinking this punch system isn't up to the job, think again. It's designed to be rugged and reliable. To help prove that point, we fabricated a custom hoist rig incorporating the Speed Lock and Draw Stud. We then lifted not 1 but 2 1,000-foot spools of triplexed 3/0 cables. As you can see, Speed Punch is as strong as it is fast. Speed Punch is without a doubt the fastest knockout system on the market today for punching 3/4 inch to 2-inch conduit size holes. Each of the 5 punch sizes is available individually or in 3 complete kits, with and without punch drivers.
Electric Wall Grooving Cutting Machine Chaser.
Fast automatic grooving wall tank, suitable for quick and clean cutting of wall chases. Formed at one time for concrete pouring walls, black-hearted red bricks, cinder bricks, and other super hard walls. Maximum depth, 41 mm, maximum width, 42 mm, saw blade diameter, 133 mm, saw blade inner hole diameter, 20 mm.
The trim removal tool has a larger, flatter and wider contact area than clumsy traditional tools and features an integrated wedged center that provides increased removal efficiency and prevents damage to both the trim and wall. Ideal for commercial work, repair and remodel projects where care and precision are needed, including cabinets, countertops, flooring and many more. It can be used on a kitchen remodel, removing a couple of sections of baseboard, a countertop from some base cabinets, and pulling up a ceramic tile floor. The very edge can also use to pry up the staples. Torque wrench 1/2 inch drive click 10 to 150 ft.lb. 13.6 to 203.5 nm quick release design with 17 mm, 19 mm, 21 mm socket and 5-inch extension bar. Quick release bottom design on torque wrench head which provide good sockets retention to achieve time and energy efficiency. Reversible ratchet head drives in both directions and measures torque in clockwise direction. Snap on torque wrench, a click sound tells the preset torque value is reached. Laser engraving dual range scale on this wrench with matted surface is easy to read, allowing no glare in garages.
Telescoping aluminum handle with 6-step telescoping design, adjustable from 27 to 41 inches. Sharp and durable SK5 steel blade with a Teflon coating to stay sharp after heavy use. Powerful compound action, the lopper with 4 pivot points on the head to increase the cutting power of the loppers, easily cutting thick branches up to 2 inches. Scientific and labor-saving design, handle opening and closing angle, and head cutting angle are designed in strict accordance with scientific lever system design, long working hours without fatigue.